Hello guys, this is the continuation series of JavaScript where we are learning each and every module of JavaScript. So without wasting any further time, let's start learning JavaScript. The next conditional statement that we will learn, that is called our for condition, for conditional statement. Okay, the for loop is the most compact form of the loop. Compact means smaller. Huh. It includes loop initialization and a statement and loop iteration statement, means loop close statement. First a starting statement, then a conditional check statement, then it will go for the final conditional end statement. Okay, so if I'll write the syntax for this, so what we are doing, for loop. So for loop the syntax will be, inside bracket I will write initialization init. Okay, I write initialize statement first, then I will close this, then I will write my test condition test, then close it, then I will write my closing statement close, then close it. Okay, now after that I will write my statement to be execute while, not when, the condition is is true keyword, that's why it is changing the color. So I'm not saving it right now, so I don't need right now this. So this is my so in the syntax, what you understand, for inside bracket I have a initialization statement.
This is my initialization condition, to which condition the program will initialize. So for this the initialize condition is applicable.
Now it will test means it has already entered. Okay, now in the test condition it will check whether if I will increment it, whether this is satisfied for the next purpose or not. It will test whether the condition satisfy or not. It will test. So if test result is true, okay, otherwise it will run the execution again and again and again. Similarly for this also I will create a variable var, same variable you can use, var count. So I will close this variable right now because I don't want to give any value for this particular example. The value will be given in the initialization state because this is a for loop. So now I will start my for loop. So inside for loop, first one is our initialization statement. So initialization statement, as I told, so I will put it count equal to 0. Now for which condition the condition will be run, like count less than 10. So till count less than 10 the condition will run. So what will be the execution or exit statement? Same thing that we have done before. Now what is it meaning? The count will be start from 0. The condition will run till 10.
Count plus plus is the increment operator, it increments the value.
You go over here 1, again go to this 1, satisfy 2, again go to this 2, satisfy 3, again go to this 4, satisfy, like the condition is satisfying. The statement may be something like document dot write, inside this, close this, inside this I will write my current count is, now concatenation operator, and the count value, yeah, I remember from last time, break. Okay, everything looks fine right now. Document dot write, current count is okay, yeah, I need a increment concatenation, say no. Yeah, looks fine. Now refresh. Error is all about, let me check. So yeah, this is the error.
If you liked this video, why don't you check out my other videos on my YouTube channel?